Hi from the Softpositive team. In this video we're sharing updates for SoundSite, our client web app that helps construction companies predict and assess the noise and vibration impact of their construction sites on surroundings. Our latest release enables modeling of equipment-generated vibrations and displaying the results directly on the map. Now equipment can be organized into dedicated zones, as the real equipment can move within certain areas, which affects impact values on buildings. All calculations are performed in real time within the browser, utilizing WebWorkers technology. The processing is accompanied by seamless animations. If you would like to know more about the features, you can continue watching the video for an in-depth example. As a part of the update, all projects within the app can be set up to calculate noise, vibration, or both effects. After saving, it is possible to switch between calculated effects on the map. Now let's add a work zone. This is another new feature we've added. It allows selecting and designating zones where the equipment might move around in each scenario. We can add any amount of equipment into a work zone. Let's assign equipment of different types. The app will show which effects are produced by given equipment. After saving work zone, the app will run predictions. While this happens, the app is still responsive and the user can interact with it. That is possible thanks to the WebWorkers technology. The map will update when calculations end. We can switch to vibration preview to see the impact from vibration effects. All this data is now available for reporting. Thank you for watching this video and for your time, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.